Hey guys, do you need a sponsorship? You have less subscribers, there's a sponsorship for you. You know what I'm saying? They'll sponsor you, and you don't need all them subscribers. You don't need big subscribers. You know, just like Fate. I think the Fate website, you have to have 5,000 subscribers. Well, I got one perfect for you.
Rather go to the strip club and never pull up at the prime. I spit that fire, oops, a bomb, and you would think it's Vietnam. If you with the benefits, then on the low, just keep it calm. If you not about it, I won't doubt it that I use my...
Hey guys, so I got a perfect website for you. I'm not sponsored yet, I'm just doing this video. You probably think I'm sponsored because I'm doing this video. No, that's not true. It's called LootCrate. Go look it up. I'm gonna have the link down in the description. Now, all you gotta do is sign up, you know what I'm saying, with your information. You can sign up to Facebook. You know what I'm saying? They will email you to do an activation code and all of that. The list on there for you to like get sponsored for, they have email, they got social marketing, they got coupons, they got a whole bunch of stuff, you know what I'm saying? It don't matter. All you got to do is put your link. Like, let's say you're doing YouTube, so you can put your YouTube link, you know what I'm saying? And they want a brief description of why they should sponsor you, you know? It's simple right now. I applied, but I haven't got accepted yet, so I'm still waiting on that. I'm just excited to tell you that LootCrate is a perfect thing, you know, to do, you know what I'm saying? So go check that out. I'm gonna have the link down in the description. Just check it out, and it's T-Wood 2 Real. Peace. I'm out.
Rather go to the strip club and never pull up at the prime. I spit that fire, oops, a bomb, and you would think it's Vietnam. If you with the benefits, then on the low, just keep it calm. If you not about it, I won't doubt it that I use my...